like to hear, based on that, Manish, a little bit more about your, RPA in the cloud journey at TaskUs. Can you give us a few highlights of what it's been like and some of the success you've achieved?
Absolutely. So our journey with RPA and cloud at TaskUs started just like with any other organization. Start small. So we worked with Automation Anywhere to deploy RE within our client base, and we quickly saw results. And within a month or so, we were able to not only prototype but also demonstrate results that encourage us to now start deploying at scale. And from a results perspective, what we have seen is that within a month of deploying RE in our front office, using a cloud solution, we have seen almost 105% improvement in the average handle time, that we were supposed to target. Second thing is that we got, almost 100% data accuracy, in terms of our operations. And last but not the least, from an efficiency perspective, our ticket handling rate, that was one of the measures that we were measuring, almost doubled. So in fact, with the same amount of capacity, we were able to now service a lot more clients. And as we speak, we have more than 3,000 teammates, as we call them, who are being serviced and being using automation within our operations.